Kuya is angry. She left David, her sister. Very small.
Exactly, so small.
That's why Alex really likes it. Because he can carry like, hey, Alex like a cat or a dog, eh?
The size of a dog.
Yeah, tingnan mo. Kaya niya gusto kasi like a size of a dog. Joyla, stop it.
Oh! Stop carrying me. This is easy.
It's so small.
I want to.
Let's go now. We go home.
Over here.
Pelete na pate me teleforio mista pa me na perpatame sis.
No, let's go with them.
No.
Pame na paro me forio.
Nah.
May maglalakad kami. Maglalakad ito para mapagod
Hanggang
matulog.
doon sa inyo agapi, ang layo na rin ah.
Bakit? Nagsumakay ba kami kanina?
Di ba sumakay kayo ng
Hindi.
A7?
Ay, hindi.
Di ba?
No,
Nag-ano kayo ng
19B.
C7?
19B.
Ah, yes.